Okay, I'm back on the 1952 Philco model 2152. Now I have the sweep chassis out. From the last video, I was having a little bit of a horizontal problem, well, a huge horizontal problem. So pulled the chassis out. And now what I'm doing is basically inspecting the recapping work that I've done and rechecking all the resistors, whether they were new or old. So basically just going back through everything. And then where I came to was in the SAMs on my resistance measurement chart. I went through tube number 15, which is a 6 and a SN7, and went through and did all my resistance checks, and everything came up good except for pins 2 and 3. I wasn't getting what I should be getting as far as resistance on pins 2 and 3, which are right here. Okay, so started to go on, physically tracing the wires back, as well as going over to the handy dandy schematic. And you can see here on the schematic, here's where pin 3 comes out of the oscillator, horizontal oscillator, and here's pin 4. And if you come down through here, resistor, I don't know if you can see that, 103, it's a 390K resistor. And if we go back over to the circuit and we start looking at that particular resistor, which is right here, I hope you can see that. Can you see that? Look at that resistor. That resistor right there is not connected. Okay, so that's the first smoking gun that I have found. I have gone through and checked all the values of the capacitors in the horizontal circuit, and I cannot find anything that's not the correct value according to the schematic. Now, it is always possible. It did happen that the SAMs could be incorrect. And so what I'm going to do is put in a brand new 390K resistor to replace the one that is broke, and see if that was, it was as simple as that was causing me the problem. If that's not the problem, then I'll probably go and research writers or try to find original Philco service information and try to compare it to the SAM schematic that I have, and see if I can find something different in that horizontal oscillator circuit and AFC circuit. So that's where I'm at. Replace that resistor and we'll see what happens.